Thank you for joining us on Black Investments Matter. I'm Antoine Anderson. Welcome to our series on Form 1010C, the Small Business Administration's business plan template. And we're going to go over each question. Stay tuned. Having a well-defined business plan is your invitation or ticket to the world of financial assistance in both banking or through a grant program. Having this completed will open doors that you would not have otherwise been able to open. And we're going to take this series as a tool to go through each question on this form so that you can effectively get everything right the first time through. Section 5 of Form 1010C is all about the present market that you are in. There are 7 questions embedded in this section that you're going to have to pay particular attention to and go ahead and make a case for who you are, what the market is all about. The first question in that wants you to describe the geographic location of your business and your potential customer base. That is pretty much self-explanatory. Spend about a paragraph on that. No more than 100 words, I would say, would be suffice. Next question, question 11, has to do with the growth potential of the market you're in. Based out on several factors, not just the demographics, but what is that industry projected to do? These are critical questions because it points to the long-term profitability of your business. You won't want to open up a new DVD shop or DVD repair shop in an industry that is, going all digital, right? So this is where you kind of work that information through. Question 12 of Section 5 has to do with the identification and classification of your customer base and your relationship with your customers. You want to go ahead and talk about what you're bringing, why it's needed in the community, and how you're going to go about providing that best quality of service and what that relationship has been like. Question 13. This is all about marketing. How do you intend to engage potential customers? You want to make sure that you include any web pages, flyers, brochures, any advertisement that you're using to get the word out on your company or your business. It's going to be included here. If you have a possibility to attach a company brochure as a selling tool, go ahead and do that here. Question 14 and 15 deals with your pricing policy, your credit and collection product policies if you intend on offering credit. I kind of stay away from that myself. State that here. If you don't plan on giving any credit, hey, you're going to pay for these services as you're getting them. Make sure that's kind of clearly spelled out. Pricing policy, this is where you make that determination of what the goods and services that you are offering and use it as a competitive edge against any competitions. And there'll be another section coming up about the competition. All right. And finally, we're talking about any seasonal business adjustments. If you're going to be operating only seasonal, like say, I'm opening up an after-school program. Kids are only out during the summer. What are you going to do off-season? How do you adjust for those seasonal factors? Questions like these give us so much more information when it comes to detailing how you're going to remain profitable in their business arena. These questions need to spend as much time, you can spend as much time as possible, but don't go overboard. There's so much more to this application that you're going to need to focus on that I don't think you should waste a whole lot of time there, but be accurate and detailed in your explanations.